Hello ladies, my name's Virginia Bond and I have the privilege of being the first ever Lady Master of the Worshipful Company of Cooks. First since 1482. So that's been quite a wait for us ladies, but we'll get there in the end. The beautiful young ladies at Lakefield House are very lucky to be here to have the wonderful teaching of all the staff and the opportunities that are afforded to them. Recently, making a most wonderful cake for me at my Hampton Court Palace event, which was seen everywhere. The Worshipful Company of Cooks supports the young ladies at Lakefield House, providing financial funding for some of the educational aspects. We believe that it is enormously important for the future of young ladies entering the industry. They should have the absolute confidence and knowledge that they can do whatever they want should they choose to do so. So with those words, ladies, good luck and enjoy your training, and I look forward to hearing where you end up. Hopefully the world is your oyster.